Friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. In this session, we are going to discussing about the current affairs of 27 and 28 November 2020. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, which hosted the 2020 APEC summit? Malaysia, Brazil, India, or option D, Myanmar? The correct answer here is option A, Malaysia. Okay, recently the 2020 APEC, the abbreviation of the APEC is Asia Pacific Economic Corporation. Asia Pacific Economic Corporation. Recently, the economic leaders meeting was held under the chairmanship of Malaysian Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin. Okay, so the correct answer here is option A, Malaysia. Our second question was, first cow hospital of Northeast inaugurated in which state? Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, or option D, Manipur? The correct answer here is option B, Assam. Okay, a cow shelter in Assam's Dibrugarh inaugurated in the northeast first ever cow hospital on the occasion of Gopastami. It is inaugurated in the occasion of Gopastami and in Assam's where? Dibrugarh. Okay, Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. Today's first question is, when Indian Constitution Day is observed? 25 November, 26 November, 27 November, and option D, 28 October. The correct answer here is option B, 26 November. Every year on 26 November, India celebrate the Indian Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas. Okay, because in 26 November 1949 our constitution is adopted, and it is comes to regulate in 26 January 1950. Again, who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of Indian Constitution. Okay. Next question. Who is elected as new chairman of ICC, International Cricket Council? Greg Barclays, Saurabh Ganguly, Naman Gupta, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is New Zealand's Greg Barclays. So option A is correct here. Recently, New Zealand's Greg Barclays has been elected as the new chairman of ICC. Okay, International Cricket Council. And the CEO of ICC is Manu Sahni. Recently, the CEO of ICC is Manu Sahni, and the headquarters is situated in Dubai, UAE. Where? In UAE. Okay. You can see here the image of Greg Barclays. He belongs to New Zealand. Next question. Who is flagged off the Varunastra heavyweight torpedo? ISRO, MHA, DRDO, or option D, none of these? The answer here is Defense Research Development Organization. Recently, the DRDO chairman G. Satish Reddy has flagged off the first production unit of heavyweight torpedo, HWT, heavyweight torpedo. Name is Varunastra. Remember the name is Varunastra. You can see here the image of Varunastra here. Okay. Next question. Who has launched Prime Minister PM Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana? IPPB, SDFC, IDBI, option D, SBI. The correct answer here is India Post Payment Bank. So option A is correct here. Recently, India Post Payment Bank has launched a low-cost insurance scheme. Name is PMJJBY, Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Okay, PMJJBY. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Diego Maradona passed away. He was related to which sports? Cricket, football, tennis, or option D, basketball? The correct answer here is option B, football. Recently, the one of the greatest footballer, Diego Maradona, passed away. He was the captain when Argentina won the 1986 World Cup. 1986 World Cup. Okay, you can see here the image of the footballer Diego Maradona. Next question. Who has released a book on the life of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Prahlad Singh Patel, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, recently Prime Minister Modi has released a book on the life and the ideals of the Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Nanak Dev, the founder of Sikhism and the first of its 10 Guru, the first Guru of Sikhism. Okay, you can see here the image of Prime Minister of India launching the book on the life of Sri Guru Nanak Dev. Question number 7. Who has e-launched National Portal for Transgender Person? Prakash Javadekar, Thawar Chand Gehlot, Narendra Modi, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Thawar Chand Gehlot. Recently, Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Thawar Chand Gehlot, has e-launched the National Portal for the Transgender Person. Okay, we can see here the image of Thawar Chand Gehlot. Question number 8. Which airport is renamed as Maryada Purushottam Sriram Airport? Delhi Airport, Kolkata Airport, Ayodhya Airport, or option D, none of these? You guess the answer here. Okay. The answer here is option C, Ayodhya Airport. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government renamed the Ayodhya Airport as Maryada Purushottam Sriram Airport. Okay. It is in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Father of Indian IT industry, F.C. Kohli, passed away. He was the founder of which IT company? TCS, Infosys, Accenture, or option D, Microsoft? The correct answer is the founder of TCS. The founder of TCS, Tata Consultancy Service, Fakir Chand Kohli, name is Fakir Chand Kohli, the better known as the father of Indian IT industry, recently passed away. The first CEO of TCS also. Okay, you can see here the image of Fakir Chand Kohli. Remember, he was the first CEO of TCS also. Okay, Tata Consultancy Service. Question number 10. Which Malayalam film entered officially for the Oscar Award? Shiva, Jallikattu, Chetak, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is the Malayalam film, option B, Jallikattu. Recently, Malayalam film Jallikattu, directed by Lijo Jos Pellicer. Remember the director name, Lijo Jos Pellicer, has been selected as the India's official entry for the Best International Feature Film category. Okay. Next question. Question number 11. Who is appointed as new engineer-in-chief of Indian Army? Lieutenant General Harpal Singh, General Abhijit Kumar, General Kamlesh Rai, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Lieutenant General Harpal Singh. So option A is correct here. You can see here the image of Lieutenant General Harpal Singh, recently appointed as the new engineer-in-chief of Indian Army, and he is presently the Director General of BRO. Remember, BRO abbreviation is Border Road Organization. Recently, the Director General of BRO is also Lieutenant General Harpal Singh, and recently appointed as the new engineer-in-chief of Indian Army. Next question. Who has launched second edition of Fit India School Week? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Kiran Rijiju, or option D, Rajnath Singh? The correct answer here is Sports Minister, Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju. You can see here the image also. Okay. Recently, the Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju has launched the second edition of Fit India School Week of Fit India Mission. Okay. Question number 13. Who has inaugurated the third Global Renewable Energy Event, Reinvest 2020? Prakash Javadekar, Narendra Modi, Prahlad Singh Patel, or option D, none of these? The answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated the third Global Renewable Energy Event, Reinvest 2020. The name is Reinvest 2020. Next question. who has partnered with UNDP to launch the SDG Investor Map India? Invest India, STFC, IDBI, or option D, Reserve Bank of India. The correct answer here is Invest India. Recently, Invest India has partnered with UNDP. The abbreviation of UNDP is United Nations Development Program. Okay. Recently, Invest India and partner with UNDP India to develop the SDG Investor Map for India, Sustainable Development Goal. The abbreviation of SDG is, remember, it is Sustainable Development Goal Investor Map in India. Invest India and UNDP partner. Next question. Last question of the today's session is James Wolfenson passed away. He was the former president of which bank? ADB, World Bank, AIIB, or option D, NDB? The correct answer here is World Bank. Option B is correct here. Recently, the former president of World Bank, James Wolfenson, passed away. You can see here the image of James Wolfenson. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, who has won Best Drama Series at International Emmy Award? Our second question is, who has launched historic Chang'e 5 mission to collect lunar samples? Please try to answer in the comment section in a comprehensive way, thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay, it is very much helpful for you. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group, thereby many students got help. Okay, and those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you for watching this session. Have a great day.